2K viewers. Tambay-tambay, salamat sa pagtambay. Tambay-tambay, tambay-tambay. Madaya, madaya. Medium English, speak me. How about you? English is 2x. 2x. 2x ang about me. English me 2x. Uh, I ask you. You understand me. Understand me. Understand you. Stand me, stand you. Your English is medium. It's easy. It's easy. My English is 2x. Yes. Yes. I ask you. You listen to me. I ask you. What in Tagalog? I don't know. You understand me? I ask you. What in Tagalog? I don't know. Hey, come on. You answer my question. You answer my question, MC. What do you say? I'm say, I give you a question. What in Tagalog? I don't know. Come on, come on. Ate Jobs, good evening. Oh, mega mega love, shout out Ate Jobs. Uy, naipasok mo na yung main mo ah. Mukhang nakapagpahinga na yung main mo Ate Jobs. Alam ko. Thumbs up, Ate Jobs, thumbs up. Yes. Thank you po Ate Jobs sa pa-thumbs up. Thank you. Uy, mag-umaga na Ate Jobs. Mag-umaga na. MC, alam ko. O ano? What your answer? Please give me your answer in my question. Maya ng konti, magpapahinga na rin.